Today we are going to learn about the phylum Coelentrata. The phylum Coelentrata is the second phylum in the animal kingdom. They are otherwise called Cnidaria. We will see the general characters of phylum Coelentrata. So this phylum Coelentrata are aquatic organisms, which means they are living in the aquatic environment, mostly in the marine environment. Some of the organisms are sessile, which means they can attach to the substratum, and also some of them will be free living means they can easily float on the water without the help of anything. And also the symmetry of this phylum Coelentrata is radial symmetry, which means if we divide the organism through the central axis, we will get equal half. That is called a radial symmetry. So the name Cnidaria, the Coelentrata are otherwise called Cnidaria. So the name Cnidaria they got from the specialized cells called cnidocyte or cnidoblast. So these are the stinging capsule, or it is called a nematocyst, which is present in the tentacles of their body. So they do have the tentacles. With the help of the tentacles only, free swimming Coelentrata will be moving. So these cnidoblast will be used for anchorage. What do you mean by an anchorage? Anchorage means if they want to stop anywhere in the marine ecosystem, they will be using this cnidoblast as an anchorage like ship. And also this will be using for the defense of that particular Coelentrata, and they help these cnidoblasts for the capturing of prey also for their food purposes. So the cnidarians exhibit tissue level of organization. So tissue level of organization means the entire organism consists of different kind of tissues, and they are diploblastic in the sense they do have two germ layers, that is ectoderm and endoderm. And also their inner body consists of a gastrovascular cavity. That gastrovascular cavity will be opening out through a opening called a hypostome. So this hypostome is regarded as the mouth of the Coelentrata. Then digestion. There will be two different kinds of digestions are available in the Coelentrata. One will be extracellular and other will be intracellular. Extracellular means outside the body and intracellular means inside the body. Some of the cnidarians, example will be corals. We have seen coral reef that is present in the sea. So this coral will be having a skeleton that is composed of calcium carbonate. So that gives the polyp stage for that kind of thickness. Cnidarian exhibit two different body forms. One will be polyp forms and one will be medusa form. The polyp form will be sessile that we have discussed earlier, which means they are attached to a substratum and not moving. Their shape will be cylindrical, where the medusa form will be umbrella shaped with free swimming like Aurelia, and they do have the tentacles. So these cnidarians which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generation, which means the polyp form means that the sessile form will produce asexually the medusa by fragmentation, and the medusa will be producing polyp with the help of the gamete formation, or sexually, that is termed as alternation of generation. Example for the phylum Coelentrata will be Physalia. Physalia will be considered as the Portuguese man of war, and also Adamsia, that is considered as sea animal. So this is all about the phylum Coelentrata.